Change management. How do you view change management, Josje?
Well, I think change management is very much about human skills and about an internal process, besides currently AI related, of course, just technology.
So the change is the human process.
Yes.
And how a person absorbs it.
Yes.
Interesting. Yeah, I'm coming from a sociology point of view, organization sociology, and there the change is really how do you organize the change and how do groups of people interact with the coming change.
Nice.
So change management for me is about how to organize the process, how to onboard people, and what is the change. It's mostly technology, but it can be anything. So it's the holistic organization of change.
Yeah, exactly. And what you see happening often is that there are very good intentions, but then there's silence or less result. So you need both to understand what the pattern is, but also why the pattern exists. So the why behind the why.
That's nice, because indeed I come from a change management point of view organization, and you go through the motions.
Yes.
But why some people are the first adopters and why people are sometimes very hesitant. You call that resistance or change fatigue.
Yeah.
And I approach it as a culture problem, but it's also really much about the mindset and really about the person itself. So interesting view.
And the group also has an identity.
Yeah.
That's something we can talk about a little bit later on.
So change management is very much a combination of process, organization, but also mindset and person.
Yes.
And if you don't do change management, what happens then? Chaos.
Yeah.
Chaos. No adoption. Let me tell you that.
Yeah. Yeah.
What is the worst you have seen in a company if you don't approach change management?
Things just turn ugly because it's a group of people with different needs that are not expressed, also not guided through that process. And to overcome fears or overcome ambition, when one has more ambition than the other, for example, it's all okay and all fine, but it's a process that needs guidance.
I'm looking at it from a manager's point of view, so we say chaos, people are not on board. Yeah, okay.
Nice words.
So what? Yeah, okay, but we rolled out this change anyway. It causes a lot of delays, a lot. I have seen double the amount of time planned needed to adopt a change and even then failed. So delays, and in the end, it costs a lot of money.
Yeah.
You waste a lot of money as an organization if you want to go for a change or an adoption and you don't invest in change management. We can say, oh, okay, I don't know. It costs you. So, good talk.